one that I'm really liking. We got a inverted head and shoulders here near the bottom of our chart. It looks really good. You also have the W pattern, a very clean W pattern. Alright, you see that? And then we have the perfect pullback. Right here we have the perfect pullback, which makes the inverted head and shoulders. So you see all that. We have a downward trending line. It hits perfectly at the 35, at the 30, and at the 20 about. Everything looks good here. It looks really good. What the hell was that? And so I'm looking at it. You saw it, right? The head and shoulders. I just want to make sure everyone has it. Inverted head and shoulders. Downward trending line. Breakout. I would consider buying some of this on any new higher high. So anything higher than yesterday's high, I would start taking a small position in this and continue adding to your position. Because I really do believe that we're close to a bottom in this one. Even though the housing, they say that 2008 is going to be the bottom of the housing, but by the time 2008 gets around, this stock could be back up at $40, $45. So. You know, put a little tester in here, a little test buy. I like the chart formation here. Another great one found right here. I wanted to see this one bottom out, and I think we might have a run in it very soon. There's other housing stocks probably are making the same type of formation as this one. If a lot of the housing sector is trading the same way, then you might find a lot of the same formations. Beazer Homes, let's just take a look. I haven't even checked. I might be wrong. Yeah, we're starting to see that. See that this is a little bit different, a little bit flatter, but we are seeing like a shoulder here, a head here, a shoulder here, and a downward trending line. Very nice. Right at the $10 mark too. So depends on your on what level of price or what stock you would get into. I think Centex, probably Toll Brothers might be a little better than Beazer. I don't know. Haven't did my research enough for that. Also, Merrill Lynch came out with an upgrade on Google today. It's causing the rise in Google. So look for that one, the continued upward pressure on Google. You know, I might see a downward swing in Google, a little choppy trade, but I think eventually this one's going higher. So like we said, we tried to accumulate some Google yesterday. We didn't pick the bottom perfectly, but today we're way ahead of our purchases that we got in yesterday. So a good thing. All right, so let me get this out for you, and hopefully everything works out good. Let me get this out. Of course. Come on. Why am I having such a hard time with my computer these days? Can't even stop it. Oh well. Well, let me think of something else to say. There, let me send this on its way. Can't even close it. This computer's starting to suck real bad.